cute.
That is my own passion. This is 1 part passion fruit nectar, 2 parts lime juice, and 8 parts white label Cuban rum. This can be shaken with crushed ice or mixed in a warring blender. The cocktail is dry, yet is liked by those who, as a rule, do not like alcoholic drinks. The proportions, of course, can be varied if you wish. You might also add a dash of orange bitters. Don't do that, it'll make it taste like puke. Many of my friends have almost unanimously joined me in voting this the Ultra Cocktail Deluxe. That's 2 ultras, not to be dismissed. So, this is the passion fruit that we're using. It's passion fruit liqueur. It's 2 parts this. I'm probably going to go higher. I'm going to make it 3 parts. I'm making a huge mess. Oh my god. This is red, so it doesn't really help anything. There's only 1 part lime juice. I have this gigantic thing for whatever reason. Bottle. Then, as usual, thank God we have giant bottles because David Embry loves too much liquor. This is 8 parts. We're also splitting this between several people. I would never recommend this on your own. Or go with smaller parts, you know, like, what do you call that?
Math.
No, like a quarter teaspoon? 1. And 1 more. Just pour the whole bottle in. Definitely gotta add some ice to this or whatever. Oh! This sounds not that exciting. This is a Yeti shaker, very fancy. And my hands aren't cold, so that's pretty fucking awesome. Get yourself a Yeti shaker if you want to be a cool, but not cold-handed kind of guy.
This is a non-sponsored ad.
It's still an ad, though. Also, this thing, like, twists off. Buy a Yeti. Yeti scrolls across right here. Alright, obviously it's pink. The best kind of drink, because drink rhymes with pink. Or, it's pretty. It doesn't matter. Barbie's cool. Shut up. Alright, this is my own passion. Are you ready to drink my own passion?
Your passion.
I hate that. It's not that bad. I am really glad that I did the extra shot of that.
There's kind of a weird bitterness to it. I don't know if that's the lime juice. It's not sour, it's bitter.
It's bitter.
Quite.
Bitter?
Bitter. What do you think?
I'm glad we tried it.
Yeah, this isn't a repeat offender.
No, it's not.
It's basically just rum with some passion fruit flavoring. I feel like you could go way heavier on that. Or if you had, like, I don't know, literally anything else. Or just less rum. 8 parts rum?
It's very rummy.
It's very
quite
rummy.
rummy, yeah.
It's gin rummy. Without the gin.
Fun game.
Fun game that probably you might like it. Go play gin rummy anyways. Like and subscribe.